So over here you can see that I have received an email right here, and let's say I don't want to read this email right now, or maybe I'm busy with some other things. And sometimes what happens is that you may forget that you actually have 100 emails. So in that case, if you know that you want to access that email because that email is important, but you cannot immediately access it, then what you can do is you can set snooze for that particular email so that it gets shown to you only after a certain time in which you choose. So to do that, while you hover around on this email right here, on the right hand side, you can see the snooze button right here. Once you click on it, you can go around and then choose snooze until the default values that you see, like tomorrow 8 a.m. or this weekend Saturday 8 a.m. or next week Sunday 8 a.m. right here. Or you can go around and click on pick date and time right here and choose a particular date and time, and then choose, let's say for example, I want this to be snoozed out until tomorrow 7 a.m. right here. Once you click save, then what happens is that the conversation is snoozed, and then it'll only show up on your inbox tomorrow morning at 7 because we chose the same setting. If we were to go around onto the left side, you can see the snoozed emails right here in case you want to access it early. It's not deleted out or hidden out completely, but it gets sent to the snooze section right here. But in your inbox, you don't see it anymore, so you don't have to worry about it for a while. And then when the time is right, it'll just show up on the inbox again. And that is how you can go around and snooze out the emails. And for the snooze emails right here, this is what you have. You can go around and further change out the snooze options as well. And you can manually unsnooze out the email over here just like this as well. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.